It actually has like its own like kind of walkthrough for the first 5 levels, just so people can kind of get familiar. I always kind of like having that, just so people can kind of explore it and everything as well. The objective of it is to just get numbers into a portal at like in order. So you have to move against certain objects and all that kind of stuff or whatever. There's different lots of different colors that move in different ways. So right now in the test, I can only move one block or move that one block. But if I go to the kind of first level that you guys probably can't see, here, right, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I tried to put 4 into the portal first, it'll tell me that it's wrong and incorrect. And essentially, you know, you're just trying to play until you get the right number into the right square at the right time. So it's been way harder to make an Android app than I thought. And I was like, oh, this will be simple. And, you know, this is 3 weeks of me just playing around with stuff because I finally got like my leaderboard working the way it's supposed to. So I'm just trying to kind of continue building on it and eventually get it to the App Store to let people test it and try it.